35, 25, 36.
Sila naman daw, sila.
Yay!
Kayo rin! Daming manyakis dito. Okay!
Alright, here we go.
Parang kinapos. Ay, nag-uumapaw. Ito naman, kung may kapos palad to. Nag-uumapaw, pag-ibig fun. It's overflowing, Tones. Okay, please say hi and tell us your motto in life based on your assets.
Hi everyone. My motto in life right now is sexy girls love men wearing tribe.
Wait, you're choppy. One more time, here.
Sexy girls love men wearing tribal.
Oh, nice. Okay. Wow.
Pwede lahat tayo naka-tribal, lahat tayo may chance. Lahat tayo may chance.
Good luck. May the best man win. Eto.
Okay, kung isa kang bulaklak, if you were to be a flower, what kind of flower would you be and why?
I'll prepare to be a sampaguita because it symbolizes the national flower of the Philippines and it's sweet and sexy for me.
Sweet and sexy.
Okay.
Just for example, we're in a fantasy world and a sampaguita could talk and make sounds. Huwag ka lang, hindi pa ako tapos. Ang kulit-kulit mo eh. What sound do you think a sampaguita would make?
Okay.
Yun ang tuhod ng sampaguita.
That's the sound of sampaguita.
So that's the sampaguita around your rear view.
Good.
Elizabeth, I think the guys want to know, 21 years old ka lang, are you single or double?
Single.
Kailan ka last na in love?
1 month ago.
Oh, kakabreak lang. Lahat sila kakabreak lang
Kaya pala ganito sila. Yan.
Ikaw nang iwan o siya nang iwan?
Same.
Kasi mutual break up.
Okay.
Oh.
Para friends lang.
Ano ba hinanap mo sa isang lalaki? Good boy, bad boy, boy next
I
door?
like bad boy with tattoo.
Bad boy with tattoo.
Ano ang pinaka nakaka-bad boy na tattoo?
Saan ang parte ng katawan na gusto mo na tattoo? Papunta.
Tweety Bird.
Ano?
Tweety Bird. Bad boy na tattoo.
Marvin the Martian.
Tweety Bird.
Pakita mo yung dolphin mo.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Elizabeth.
Okay.
Okay, guys.